Okay, the first contester is a black Jeep. He didn't want to make a test run. The second one is the invisible policeman, and he did make a test run, and it was a pretty spectacular one. Hopla! Boom, but he lands on his feet. The third contester is a colleague of the invisible policeman, and I sure hope he won't use his machine guns. That would be a little bit strange during a race, but okay, he stays on his wheels. I think he lost his steering, but okay. Let's see, the third contester is a Chrysler pickup. It is pretty heavy, it's beautiful, but I don't know if he can make, bam, hoppa. Well, it doesn't seem too good, it's too heavy I think. This is a good one, it's low and it's light, and I think it will run very smooth. It makes a great pirouette and it lands on its feet. Let's go! Alright, it's a little bit of a mess. Now I know why it's called a demolition track. Not one single car finished on his wheels, but the green one finished first, the Chrysler Jeep. Okay. Yeah, I wouldn't have guessed it, but he finished first on his roof. Let's go, the second race. Also a little bit messy, but they stay on track. And again, I think the Chrysler finished first. Unbelievable. Again. Okay, let's see, race 3. See, policeman makes a screw, almost out of track. Yes, he's finishing first. Yes, and on his wheels, that's also pretty good. But let's see, race 4. Yes, hoppa. Right from the start, it's a mess. Up, bump and go, boom, but, again the Chrysler, on his roof, but he finished first, again. He had 5 races, he already won 3 of them, so he can't lose, but let's go to race 5. The invisible policeman goes off track. He goes off track. Still counts. I think he hit the camera on the finish as well. Not happy with that. I think, there it goes. The tire racer 5th second, but it doesn't count. It's only about the first one that finishes. And he finishes first. But in totally, the Chrysler Jeep, he won 3 of them. So he's the best car of this moment, of this race. But it's not about winning or losing. It's just about spectacular stunts and jumps and pirouettes and that sort of things. And we saw a lot of them. We saw, okay, I don't know what it was, but it was spectacular. That was just crazy and stupid. We saw a lot of nice things. That was a very great pirouette and landed on his feet. Screwdriver, it's very nice stuff all in all. Okay, and this was just a sort of test run, test race. It was a lot of work, editing and starting and that sort of things. It's not perfect, absolutely not, but they will be better in future, so I would say stay tuned.